Hello learners and welcome to U.S. History Foundations to Reconstruction. We are on week 24 and we are completing units 4.3 and 4.4, the division of land and the establishment of new territory. Okay, so our learning target for today is I can successfully analyze the impact of the California Gold Rush. So we've been talking about like Manifest Destiny and all of these things contributing to us moving out west. And another one of these items is the gold rush. So the discovery of gold nuggets in the Sacramento Valley in early 1848 sparked the California Gold Rush, arguably one of the most significant events to shape American history during the first half of the 19th century. You're going to read the Gold Rush letter from a man writing to his wife in November of 1849 and tell me the impact the gold rush had on the family as well as the state of California. And this writer was one of the lucky ones. He figured out a way to not necessarily make money off or get money from gold, but benefit from everyone coming out. So read it and take a couple minutes and think about it. Okay, so you're going to read Unit 4, Section 4 from Odyssey Ware. And you're also going to read the California Gold Rush from History.com and Manifest Destiny from the History Channel. As you read, analyze the impact of the California Gold Rush. And then you can watch America, The Story of Us, Gold Rush from History.com and Gold Rush from BrainPop. Please remember your username CPDLF and the password student. And as you watch the videos, you can analyze the impact of the California Gold Rush. And then there's some flashcards about the rush. So after learning about the gold rush, how does the political cartoonist portray what happened to many people as they headed out west for riches? So just take a moment and think about that. Okay, in order to understand check your understanding of the gold rush, there's a small quiz. And then using the knowledge you gained, this is kind of fun. My kids and I did this actually. About the gold rush. You can print out and play the gold rush game with a friend or a family member. And you can tell me, you will be assessed on your ability to tell me what you learned about the California Gold Rush and how the game sort of played out. I know it's a little bit below your level, but I thought it would be a lot of fun to be able to do this. If you don't have access to a printer, I totally get this, but at least read through it and look at it a little bit and look at what could possibly, have made you go back. You're lost, you run out of money, good weather, lots of food. So there's some really good things in here. Wrong turn. These are all things that happened to the settlers after they went out west. So I thought it would just be kind of a fun way to reinforce, that not everybody was so lucky as they headed out west in search of gold. Okay. And you can just tell me what new information you learned from this lesson. And remember, we're learning about the idea of, manifest destiny, and it's our destiny, to move west and, get more land and to really, establish the United States and just kind of keep that in mind. And then all of the problems that came with it as we were establishing new states, because soon after the gold rush, California will become a state. Okay, so just kind of think about that and, how it changed history with the gold rush and the settlers and what this meant in terms of slavery as you think about it. As we're, adding the new states, will they become slave states? Will they become free states? What's going to happen? Okay, so questions or concerns, reach out to me. If not, you have a wonderful, productive week. Thanks.